boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have the passenger. You heard about him. He wrote Let Her Go and the rest is history. Now he performs The Road is Long. That is a new song from him. So let's go into this one. And as you can see, we have a capo set here on the 5th fret. He has it as well if you watch the music video. Absolute best scenario for us to have easiest chords possible. So with that, we're gonna go with 7 chords in total. So let's go through the chords first, starting with C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next. We have 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. A minor. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. The F major 7. 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we move on to the chords. We have D minor, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We also got the G7, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 1st E. And finally we have the CE. That's the exact same grip as the C, but now incorporate also the open E string in the bass. And we're going to use that only once in the outro parts. So there we have all the chords. Now let's go into the strumming. Grab the first chord C, one string around goes like this. Okay, so it's first one down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so I think we're ready for the actual song and the verse. And we're going to start with C and play one string around on that, then G, 1, then A minor 1, and F major 7, 1. That's the first half. The second half is C1, G1, and F major 2. Consider all that being one big chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. So let's do one round together. One string around per chord of the following chords: C, G, A minor, F major, C, G, and you end with 2 string rounds on the F major. Let's do it. Alright, so there we have one round, you double up for 2. That's the first verse, and then into the chorus. That's 56 seconds in. For I'm Not the Kid I Used to Be. That's where we are in the lyrics. Now, you're gonna play D minor 1, G1, C1, and F major 1. This chunk of chords you're gonna play for 3 rounds. So 3 rounds for that, and then in the 4th round you're gonna end with D minor, 2 string rounds, and G7, 1 string around plus 1 extra down, and the pause. The length of that pause is as if you would play 2 full rounds. Okay, so D minor, G, C, F major for 3 rounds, then D minor 2 and G7, 1 plus 1 down. Let's do that together. We're gonna play round number 3 and then go into the 4th and final round with a D minor and G7. Let's do it. Alright, so there we have the ending of this course. And then after each and every chorus play, we have a verse play as an instrumental part. Okay, so for this first instrumental part after this first chorus, we're gonna play the verse play for 1 round. That was the C, G, A minor, F major, C, G, and F major. I'm gonna play that for 1 round, and that is the end of the first round. Now into the second round of everything. It's just repetition, exactly the thing that we learned for the verse play, and even the chorus is now played for this second round. Okay, then the second instrumental part, instead of playing just 1 round of the verse play, you're actually gonna play 2 rounds of that verse play. Okay, so 2 rounds of that, and after that we're gonna go into the third chorus. So we're gonna jump back right into the third chorus and play that again exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. So no changes there. And then after that, we have an outro part left. What you're going to play now is to play the verse play for 2 rounds. Okay, almost, because the last F major in the second round there, you don't play one full strumming round. You play just 1 down on that. And then you're going to play 1 down on the following chords: the C, E, the D minor, the G, and finally the C. And you manage to play the road is long, the long road. Anyway, that is the Passenger's new song. Obviously it fits guitar very well, so if you're a fan of him and of just have a simple playing live on a guitar, then this is a good song to go for. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Good luck with this one, and if you want to support me, then I'm grateful. See you soon. Play tuned.